laughing during Lan's presentation. He said sushi is not healthy. He was a little confused, and then I think his mom corrected him. We'll watch that in a moment. Tonkatsu. You guys, let me show you what Japanese tonkatsu is, so you know what it is. Do they sell this in Japanese restaurants? Hey, Lynn, good to see you. How are you? You doing okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for your presentation. I was laughing because you were arguing that sushi is not healthy. And then your mom said, Lynn, I think sushi is actually kind of healthy, right? And then you can see your face, you changed your mind. And you have to admit your mom was right that sushi with carrots and rice and seaweed and fish
Yeah.
is actually pretty healthy food. So, Lynn, I'm
Teacher,
just laughing.
in Japan, they have vegetable soup for school.
Yeah, they do. Do you see this is tonkatsu, you guys? It's fried pork with this nice brown sauce. You get a nice cabbage salad. So, Tony, as you
Wow.
said, they're supposed to serve this salad next to it for most of the school lunches, have this combination. The red tomatoes are a little more expensive. I'm not sure if they do that, right? And so, do you guys have you tried tonkatsu before? The fried Japanese pork?
Nope.
Oh,
I
it's really good.
try I
Yeah.
try sashimi. It's very, very
Oh,
yummy.
you guys love sashimi and sushi. Yeah, because Vietnam has that huge coastline. You can get
Um,
really good fish. Yeah.
try sports.
Mm. Hey, question for you guys, Lynn and Tony and Kevin and Stella. Here's tonkatsu with no brown sauce. Here's the brown sauce. Which do you think is healthy? Kevin,
No
sauce or no
sauce.
brown sauce? I think I'm making Lynn hungry. Lynn, do you think it's healthy with the brown sauce or should you eat it with no brown sauce?
Teacher, in
No
sashimi,
brown sauce.
Yeah, no brown sauce. There's a lot of sugar in it, you guys. So if you have it with cabbage and carrot and lemon, this is actually pretty healthy.
yum.
Yum. And then you say, what about carbohydrates like potato and rice and bread? The outside has a little bit of baking flour on it. So it does have a little carbohydrate, starches that you need for energy. Hey, Kevin's here. Hey, Kevin, what do you think of all of this? Mr. Kevin.
I think it is very bad for us because there are a lot of grease in it.
This is true. There is a lot of grease.
This
Look at
kind of
this
look
one.
like the one in Singapore I went to. It looks
Yeah.
like that, but it's more crunchy.
Yeah, this is the more crunchy style, you guys. More crunchy. This is made really well, you guys. It could
I
be that
like the octopus in
this
sashimi
one,
most.
you
I
see,
like the
this is all.
octopus in sashimi most because
Uh,
octopus is very yummy. It's like sour, so I eat all of them.
all right. Octopus sashimi. Here we
I
go.
I not eat it with um the seaweed or the pink ginger.
Yeah, the pink ginger. That's really good. There's the pink ginger and the wasabi, the spicy wasabi. There's the pink ginger, which I love. I think that's good for you. But you guys, I stopped eating octopus. Did you know that? Because it turns out octopus are really intelligent. Did you know that they're super intelligent? Do you see this huge brain they have? So octopus,
Oh no!
he looks scary, right? But he's actually really
No, I see.
intelligent.
Oh no, this one is. I see the dangerous one.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
very
you mean those
dangerous.
things? Okay. Yeah, yeah. You mean those suction cups? He's dangerous. But look at his huge head, you guys. I think this is actually an intelligent creature,
What?
and we shouldn't eat
Teacher,
it. We shouldn't eat it.
one octopus. I heard that one octopus has three or four brains.
Yeah, I mean,
Brains.
just yeah, Tom, you're right. They're
And
just
four
really
and
intelligent.
four hearts, I think.
Yeah. You
Five.
guys,
And
you,
blood.
you guys, maybe that's a good debate topic. We should stop eating octopuses. By the way, do you guys know DNA? The word DNA.
Oh, I know. It's
You
like
know,
a cell.
Yeah, so DNA. Hey, what happened to my thing? It's going crazy here. Wait, turn that.
Teacher, I not eat the duck meat because my mom said it's the dog is very smart, so we shouldn't eat it.
Oh, okay. So you guys know DNA.
I know it.
You guys know DNA from science class, right? So they said that octopus DNA, you guys, it's maybe not from Earth. It's really strange. No other animal has that DNA except octopus. And so maybe octopus are aliens, you guys. Did you hear that story?
I heard that aliens are
No.
intelligent.
You guys know that story? Here, I gotta share it with you guys, right? Let's go. Yes, go ahead.
I think that octopuses are so strange because
Uh-huh.
how can they be so intelligent and like no human, no or animal has ever been that intelligent?
Yeah. this is
Maybe it should win an award.
Okay, so I gotta write this into Chat GPT for you guys. And the answer might be kind of complicated, but we'll find out just quickly as our warm up for today. Are octopus alien creatures? You know, we shouldn't eat them because the aliens will get angry or something. This would be a really funny debate topic, by the way. Dear ChatGPT.
Platypuses can also have radioactive, like
Yeah.
when they close their eyes,
Yeah.
they will be able to sense everything surrounding them using
I very like
electromagnet field. Maybe the
Right.
platypuses might be looking for the octopuses.
Are you guys ready? Here we go. Here we go.
Owl.
Chẳng được, không sao. Quay camera cũng được, không sao đâu.
Okay, so you guys, it says be careful that maybe it says be careful because it's not accurate in the way it is often presented. So maybe this ChatGPT says this story is maybe a little bit crazy, right? So
Teacher,
yeah,
octopuses can also evolve.
yeah, they evolved. You got it, Tom. That's the correct thing. Octopuses evolved on Earth. They're not alien, right? Okay, but they are biologically unique. Nothing else is like they're very different. Hey, Tom, are you there?
Yes.
Tom, can you read what I highlighted in blue about octopuses?
The notion that octopuses have alien DNA is sensationalized imperation of their usual genetics. While octopuses are indeed remarkable animals with complex genes and fascinating biological traits, there's no scientific evidence to suggest that they have extraterrestrial origins.
Yeah.
Instead, their complexity is a result of national evolutionary processes on Earth. The alien DNA concept is more metamorphical, pointing to their biological distinctiveness rather than a literal connection into
extraterrestrial life.
Extraterrestrial.
Tom, that's what you just said. Tom, you said they are evolution-wise. They evolved on Earth. They're not aliens. I think that's pretty much what Tom said. So nice work, Tom. You got it. You got the argument. Okay, now there's Lynn. I want to show your video presentation because I really like the way you say meat pies. You guys listen to how Lynn says meat pies. It's really good. It's actually, Lynn, I really like it. It's kind of funny. I promise I won't laugh at you. But he says, you guys listen, he says meat pies. Listen to me.
Is a bread, salad, potato, meat pie. That's all of the good food. But why is it a bad food? Why?
People think it is a bad food, right?
Yeah.
So it's
why people think sushi is a bad food? It have seaweed, rice, and some fish and carrots. All of that is a good food. Combined together. Why people think that a junk food?
I don't think sushi is junk food. Sushi is good for
Okay.
health, right?
Did you guys catch that?
But
Lynn's mom corrected him. She said, Lynn, I don't
Right.
think sushi is a bad junk food, right? So it's actually a good correction. But Lynn, your gestures like this when you said combine together, nice work. That's excellent for debate. I don't know if you do that naturally, Lynn, but when you go like this, it's combined together. That's really good for debate. So nice work on that, Lynn. I was really impressed with that. That's pretty darn cool. Okay. And Kevin, interesting. Kevin, are you there?
yes.
Kevin, I liked your presentation too, because in your presentation, you made it longer than your writing. And in your longer speaking style, you actually had stronger arguments against junk food and stuff. So that was kind of interesting for me, Kevin, right? Nice work. Okay, now listen, I have to find somebody here. I looked at Shelly and Tina, and Pony's there. Hey, Pony, how are you? Pony, how are you? Pony's enjoying breakfast. Pony, are you eating a healthy breakfast, or is that a junk food breakfast? We're watching you, Pony. Pony, is this healthy food you're eating? That's last week's topic. Are you eating healthy food, Pony? We're checking everyone today, Pony, because our topic was healthy food, right?
Yeah, but
Oh, you're right. Yeah. Oh, hey, wait a minute, Tony. Those are like gummies or candies, right?
Nope. It's bad plastic.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to eat plastic. All right, Nina, if you're here, I want to look at your thing. Nina, I have a suggestion for you here. So if we find Nina, are you here?
Yes.
Hey, Nina, let me show you something on your thing. I just want to take your very good presentation and show everybody, because this is pretty good. My original question, can you argue for the best combination of foods that give you good body and brain energy to do your best in school or sports each day? What do you think are healthy foods for your body and brain? This is really good, Tina. It says the best combination. Now, if you're in a debate here, Nina, you could start this with our team is here today to advocate for the best possible food combinations to help us in our student lives. What do you think? Better?
Yeah.
Because this is kind of important. It's like a debate, right? So let me see. Nina, can you read it then with the new correction there? You can read it. Everything.
Our team is here today to advise for the best possible food combination to help us in our student lives. The best combination of foods that help you good body and brain energy to do your best in school or sports each day. Almond tofu, red berries, and dollars of green yogurt. They provide complex carbs, protein, and nutrients. Clear salads when made vegetable, thick paste, and drier of olive oils. It option protein, healthy fats, and plenty of vitamin.
Okay. Now, this quinoa, she uses quinoa. You guys, let me ask you this question. Did quinoa become popular in Vietnam? Our families and students, do you see what quinoa? You make a quinoa salad with tomatoes and peppers. Have you guys eaten this before?
I think it's in Japan.
No.
I think it's only in Japan.
Oh no, this is America. You can buy quinoa salad at lunch with your sandwich. So you don't eat French fries or potato chips. You eat quinoa salad, which is kind of healthier, you guys, because you put more vegetables in it. And it's just healthier, quinoa. And this is what quinoa is. It looks like that. So
I just like bread and eggs. It's just like
bread and eggs. But quinoa is supposed to be like a healthy thing to switch to, you guys. You know, quinoa Quinoa with chili peppers and broccoli and stuff like that. Okay, so there's quinoa. That's what Nina mentioned in her presentation. Pony, do you like quinoa? Have you tried it?
No.
Quinoa. Let's ask Stella, our helper. Stella, you're here, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm here.
Stella, have you tried quinoa in Australia or Vietnam?
At Australia.
Yeah, quinoa. It's those little things that's like rice. Lynn, how about Lynn? Lynn raised his hand. Lynn, have you tried quinoa?
No,
Would you like to try it?
no,
Why not?
because I don't like it.
Well, you have to try it if you say you don't like it. You're right. It's good to try something before. It's like rice, you guys, but it has more water. It's wetter. It's fresher tasting than rice. Hey, how about Peter? Are you here, Peter? Hello, Peter. Are you here?
Yes.
Peter, what do you think is a healthy food for you to eat?
Salad and meat.
Yeah, salad and meat. That's good. And less carbohydrates, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys, let me quickly show you carbohydrates because this is an important word to learn for your schoolwork. Carbohydrates for both science class and health and nutrition. And so we're going to look here with Peter. Peter mentioned salad and meat and skipping some of the carbohydrates. Here are some carbohydrates. What do you guys see in carbohydrates? Can you tell me what you see, everyone? Carbohydrates. What can you see, Peter?
Bread, banana, apple.
Yeah.
And potato.
Uh-huh. Okay. And rice, potato, pasta, corn. Interesting, corn. Bananas, you guys. Potatoes, oranges. Oh, what's this, you guys? I don't know what that is. That's strange. Okay, let's look at some more. It's really weird. Here's some more carbohydrates. Oh, papaya, you guys. Papayas and bread. Uh-huh. And here are more pastas and bread and beans and oatmeal. So these are the carbohydrates. They give you energy. But you guys, these are called complex carbohydrates. These are healthier to eat because your body holds on to the carbohydrates longer than eating sugary snacks, okay? All right, I just want to look at one more debate response and then we'll do today's lesson, which I think you'll find very interesting, you guys. So let's look at one more debate response. And this one is by Shelley. Shelley, let's see what you have here. Okay. Oh, very nice, because Shelley used the debate language. Very nice to see. Let's see. Shelley, are you ready, Shelley? Are you here?
Yes.
Okay, Shelley, look, I put yours up on the screen because this is perfect using the debate language. I'm so happy. Can you read that one?
Yes. Should junk food be banned in school? In our team point of view, we do not completely oppose banning junk food in school. If students eat so many types of junk food, they can suffer many diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and so on. The reason is that junk food contains a lot of salt, sugar, fat. As a result, people who consume a lot of junk food will be fat. In my school, they serve junk food once a month. I think the policy of serving junk food once a month is good because if students only eat healthy foods, it can be boring.
That's true, Shelley. Nice work, Shelley. You know what I like, Shelley? You remembered when I asked the students to do and so on. You remembered to do that, and that's really, really important here. And so on, because some students do the ... period, and you shouldn't do that in writing. So, Shelley, very nice you remember this.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, so make sure you write and so on. In our team point of view, excellent, Shelley, because this is a really good debate response. In our team point of view, we think we do not completely oppose. Shelley, this is actually really good, right? In our team point of view, we do not completely oppose banning junk food. It's just so well written. So thank you so much, Shelley. Nice work. Okay, let me check with Stella. Stella, are you ready for today's topic to introduce to the young students?
Bàn tay của ta.
What, Lynn? Lynn has a question. Go ahead, Lynn. What's Lynn's question? Hey, Lynn, where's your little friend? You have a friend in class. I don't see him here today. What's his name? We have Ryan and Tin, Sai. Where's your friend? Lynn, well, of course, that's your in-school friend, but you also have a friend in class. Where is he?
That's not my school friend.
Oh, I know, but he's sort of your
He's
Zoom
older
friend
than
for our
21 years
class.
old.
And it seems you guys always make each other laugh. Is it Bach? Is it Bech, or
Hello.
Sai? Hello, Ryan. How are you today?
It's just like normal. I am at my friend's house. We are doing a project.
Okay.
Then I forgot I have to lesson. I have to learn him.
Hey, are you Bach or are you Beck? How do you say your name, Ryan?
Ryan.
Ryan is good. Ryan, are you doing a science project together?
What? We are doing like a project about a video for our school. So
Yeah.
then when I was doing it, like I went to my friend's home like 1 hour ago, and when like 20 minutes
Yeah.
ago, I noticed that I have a lesson today because we are just having a break. So
Yeah.
I'm so scared. I have to enter this class.
Oh, that's okay, Ryan. Hey, Ryan, is your video project, you said it's about your school?
It's about a competition about like we will make a video by using like a aircraft to describe an event from the past in our history.
Oh, okay.
We are editing. We are finished. We're doing that, so we are editing the video.
Very good. I'm glad you're talking about this because that's what we're going to talk about today. Science classes, etc. Are they as important? Ryan, do you like to read? Can you read for us for today?
Okay.
Okay. I made this for you guys today, and it has a short introduction, but I think you can read this for everybody. Here we go, you guys. And there you go, Ryan. Go ahead and read.
Hello, everyone. Today we will discuss STEM education. Do you want STEM?
Do you know?
It's an acronym for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Yeah.
STEM tries to bring together all of these subjects to help students critically solve problems and create new ideas and things through innovation. For example, when I was teaching in Taipei, Taiwan 2 years ago, the physics teacher Sen had a special STEM class where the third-year students at the secondary school were building robots for competition. The students had to bring together all they knew about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Many school systems around the world are pursuing STEM education as the best possible education for their students.
Very nice, Ryan. So you have science, mathematics, engineering, technology, S for science, T for technology, E for engineering, M for mathematics. Do you guys know STEM education?
Yeah, my school have it.
Oh, your school has it?
Subject at my school.
Stella has it, yeah. Stella has it. Who else has it? Can you tell me more? Lynn, does your school have STEM?
What's
STEM, science,
Science.
technology.
No.
Okay, maybe it's for secondary students. Kevin,
My
does your
school
school
have
have
it.
STEM? Yeah. Do you belong to the STEM program?
Wow.
Actually, no.
Or do all?
Sure. But
Mostly I learn mathematics and science more than technology and
Yeah.
engineering.
Engineering, okay. Let me ask Tony. Hey, Tony, do you do STEM?
yes,
Oh, okay. And so you're
we
in
do
primary.
about robots.
Robots. Okay, yeah, that's why it's mostly robots, you guys, because kids love making robots. So here are these students making.
Not my school. My school do experiments like liquids thingy, and they plus to get the
Liquids?
Yeah, liquid.
Oh, chemistry or what?
Yeah, like that, but like for experiment, and then we put in an object and see what happens the next day. And
Okay.
sometimes it's burned. I don't know why,
Huh?
but it is sometimes dangerous.
Oh, okay. So I think you're describing chemistry, Stella. All right. Hey, Stella, can you read the next part here for today's topic?
Okay. Notice that STEM is a very popular education system all over the world. But the questions for today is, do you think other classes such as history, social studies, geography, English, Vietnamese grammar and literature, and PE class are equally important? This means students could study all areas with the same amount of effort and class time. You can argue against STEM in a debate, a situation where you describe why other classes are just as important as science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Yeah. So, Stella, what do you think? Is STEM the most important thing, or should students study everything equally?
Equally.
Equal. Okay. So we'll say Stella supports equal. Okay. And I'll put your response here, Stella. Stella supports giving equal effort to all classes. Why, Stella?
Because like some of the subjects in STEM, like science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, the others also includes those subjects. So it's mostly like the same for me.
Okay. Let's see. Other classes use a lot of the same materials and ideas as STEM. STEM is trying to get students to use critical thinking. Does everyone know this critical thinking? Stella, do you know critical thinking?
Yeah.
Okay. And would you say for the students who don't understand critical thinking, how do you describe critical thinking, Stella?
Critical thinking for my how can I say, it's like imagination. I don't know how to explain it.
Nice. To go deeply. What do you think?
Yeah, good.
All right. So using your imagination as Stella to go deeply into a problem to help solve it or offer a new idea for society. Or you could use critical thinking in your own life. Let's say for how to spend some money on something you want to buy. You think about all the options. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Stella, would you like to do this idea for STEM? Do you think it should be as equal as all the classes? We can do a breakout room if you want.
Wait. Can you like give me the topic I did today so I can ask?
Yeah, here we go. Topic it's going to be in the chat thing here, Stella. Do you think STEM is the most important class to learn at school? Or do you think it should be balanced with all the other classes, which are equally important for learning all kinds of skills. Well, we're going to change that. Critical thinking is really big. Let's just change it to learn all kinds of skills for solving problems, okay? Okay, one more time before we do breakout rooms. Do you think STEM is the most important class to learn at school? Science, technology, engineering?
Yeah.
Ryan, you say no. Go ahead, tell us your idea.
Huh?
Do you think STEM is most important, or do you think all classes are equally important?
From now, I think that like society studies were like bit later than the STEM, because STEM is technology, and math. Technology is one of the most important thing and have an important role in today's human's life. So I think that STEM should be like learn more than other things, because it will make it be easily to make we have a better future. And when we have a better future, we will have more history and geography to learn, and we have more things because we are using technology.
Hey, nice response. Yeah, Peter, very good response. Now remember, I'm not going to tell you students, oh, that's a bad response, that's a good response. No, what Peter just argued, a really good side of this in debate, he ordered that STEM is the most important subject or class. And so I'm going to put there, Peter, I hope I got that right. It says, Peter, technology is very important. Learning STEM is more important than all other subjects because you said society is changing, right?
Teacher me.
Mr. Tony, go ahead. Do you think STEM is more important than all other classes?
STEM is also important, but in science, they also have chemists. Chemists, we need to learn very, very good math to do chemists. And in science, we need math to like know how to make the liquid all together. But STEM also important because technology, who like technology, we need technology for our live.
Okay.
That we need to technology to watching TV, listening to music.
Tony and Stella used chemistry. Do you guys see chemistry in Vietnamese?
Wow.
So I think, Tony, you and Stella are describing liquids, right? So you're describing chemistry?
I don't know. The teacher called them steam. Sometimes we use liquid. Sometimes we use, how about I say, like we make invisible ink or something. But like,
yeah.
it is a thing, but it is like a thing with liquid in it.
Okay. So I think you're using liquid chemicals, you guys. You can have powder chemicals, but you're using liquid chemicals. This, I put the Vietnamese there for you. The
Hóa chất lỏng.
Liquid chemicals to make invisible ink. Stella, it sounds like fun projects, though.
No, it takes so much time. It is very hardworking and tired.
It makes you tired. All right. Who said teacher? Who was that? Tony? Who said that? Tony, what did you want?
We also have physics too.
Oh, physics. Wow, you're really studying advanced stuff, Tony. Tony,
And
are you like
STEM is also fun, so it is the fun subject too.
Yeah.
We can most.
So Tony said physics. Here's physics.
Physics.
And
vật lý.
Yeah, physics. Interesting. Physics. Very nice, Tony. Okay, let me just check the chat. We have 2 new messages. I think liquids. Oh no, liquids are chemistry, Kevin. Liquids are usually chemistry. Physics are different. Yeah, so liquid things, unless Kevin, you're studying something like the ocean, tides moving huge amounts of liquid, then that can become physics, right? Okay, so Stella, let's do those breakout rooms. We'll do just one breakout room.
Not me.
All right.
Not me.
Not you, why not? You don't want to go to the breakout room? All right, then you stay and talk to me. All right. So we're going to open the rooms.
Okay.
And you guys, are the science and math in STEM more important than PE, Vietnamese, chemistry, geography? Is STEM the most important thing? Peter gave a great answer, by the way. Okay, so here we go. And Stella, I'll take like 7 or 8 students into the main room. Now remember, please listen to Stella. Don't leave and don't come back. You have to go to your breakout rooms, you guys. Some students don't go to their breakout rooms. So I'm going to move Mr. Tony into the main session. I'm going to move Tina into the main session. I'm going to move Miss Pony into the main session. I'm going to move Sai. I have to talk to Sai. Sai is here into the main session. And there we go. Okay, who do we have? We have Tom. Tom, do you want to stay here in the main session with me and Lynn and Chow and Ryan? Hello. How are you guys? And we have Kevin.
I'd
and Ryan.
like to stay in the main room more.
All right. Tom, do you do STEM at your school?
Yes, we do, but I prefer
I
science.
stay in your room more.
All right, Mr. Tony. We're talking to Tom about STEM now. Tom, in your STEM, do you like it?
Yes, I learned a lot. Not like I even know how to make a substance.
Oh, substance, yeah. No,
Like
that's-
mixtures or separating, and I even know how to separate mixtures. Like if you pour sugar into a bowl of water, you'll still get water, but it has a different taste. This is mixture. And to separate it, you have to boil the water. Away.
So you're learning the first steps of chemistry, Tom, in your class, where you mix the water, sugar, boil the water, sugar, and then it becomes crystal again, right? It becomes crystal sugar.
I think that science has earth science and more.
More. Hey, Pony, what do you think of earth science? Do you like it?
It's like it's kind of a if Earth spin around the sun or
Yes.
or
Does the
know-
earth spin
I know
around the
this.
sun? You know this.
I know this.
You guys are funny.
That is when the people don't know. That is, they say that the sun go around the earth, but Copernicus he say that the earth spin around the sun, but they say it's not correct.
Yes.
So the earth at that year they all say that the sun spin around the earth, but in the modern they say that the earth spin around the sun, and Copernicus says it's very important, and he is important for the space.
Yeah. All right. So you're
Space,
talking about gravity.
Discovery.
Yeah. So you're talking about Galileo. He said the earth goes around the sun, and the Italian church said no. Hey, Tina, would you like to join our discussion? We allowed all the younger students to talk so much. Tina, are you there?
yes, I am.
Tina, are you doing STEM subjects in your school?
My school doesn't even know what STEM is.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So you just don't do STEM. Did you hear about it? Have you heard about it before?
Teacher, and
All right,
also
you're telling
Galileo.
Galileo, yes, that's who I'm talking about. All right, let's let Tina talk here. Hey, Tina, did you ever hear the idea of STEM before, Tina?
Yes, I know what STEM is, but I'm not really interested in trying it.
Okay, so what subjects are you interested in?
History, math,
This is he.
and
It's Galileo. Yeah, I see.
No.
I see Tony.
Copernicus.
Oh, Copernicus. Yeah, he helped Galileo
And
with
this
the
one
idea.
is Galileo.
All right. So you like that astronomy, physics. Tina, you mentioned math though. That's a really big part of STEM, you know. So it's like you're already doing one piece of STEM, right?
It's small piece of stuff.
You know, because you have science, technology, engineering, and math. And if you're doing math, you can use those in any other subject, right? So it's like you're already learning a big piece of what STEM is.
There's a scientist in Greek or wherever, I don't remember, but he says in this world there's only math, and math.
Yes.
There's someone who said that. The scientist or someone, I don't remember, but I remember that.
Tina, that was Peter's argument. He said technology is so important that STEM is probably the #1 class, right? Because, like you said, today's society is math, and math. Peter was pretty much saying the same thing. Everything is technology. You better learn STEM, right? Hey, Tina, let's go to Mr. Lin, who's showing me his candy wrappers. I think that's his way of saying I have something to say. Mr. Lin, do you like science? Do you like math? Just as we're talking about junk food, Lin is eating like a big piece of candy. Lin, are you there? Mr. Lin. Lin. Almost. Do it one more time, Lin. Lin, are you there?
All the time.
Okay, Lin, do you know this STEM? STEM.
No.
Do you know science?
No.
Do you know math?
Yes.
Okay, are you a good math student?
Not really.
Okay, so what subject do you like?
I don't like any.
You like English?
No, even
No.
harder.
Oh, I'm shocked.
He said he don't like any subject.
He doesn't like any subject. Well, Lynn, do you like PE class?
No.
No.
I don't have a PE class.
Lynn, do you like going to school?
No.
Oh no.
No.
If you didn't go to school, then what would you do all day, Lynn?
Did he like
It's making Pony laugh.
did he,
If a boy doesn't go to school all day, what should he do?
I think
That's true. I don't like study like that. He like when someone say study.
Yeah.
He
I
sleep.
think that
Someone says study. He will run.
Yeah, he gets frustrated. Like, no way, I don't want to do it. So, Lynn, if you didn't go to school, would you like go to the zoo for the day, go to Vin Wonders, go to the museum, go shopping?
No, I
Vin Wonders.
tell my friend, haha, loser.
Bring some friends over. Lynn, would you invite some friends over each day?
Yeah.
Would you get bored with that? Wouldn't you want to start learning new ideas?
No, never.
Huh, it's a problem, Lynn. Lynn, do you like to read books?
Only một buổi tối gì mà.
You like books?
Evening.
Yeah.
I like to read book in evening.
Okay, good. So it's good that you read, Mr. Lin.
I
Right?
think that is have information technology that he likes.
Oh, see, that's really good. That is, Lynn, you do like STEM because Pony just said you like information technology. I'll put that in chat. And that is information technology is STEM. Big part of STEM is information technology, you guys. Studying computers and stuff like that, right? Hey, Stella, you're back. How was the discussion?
Very good.
Oh,
For the
nice.
question that you gave me, when I finally asked that question,
Yeah.
the like only one person said that it is the most important, and the rest they say, oh no, it's not the most important.
Lynn is showing us, he said he doesn't like school, but look at his schoolwork's very good. What is that, Lynn? Is that math? And those are good scores in mathematics?
That is math.
Yeah. So I think this boy does actually like mathematics, even though he says he doesn't, right?
Math is not like math.
Yeah.
Reason.
Did you guys know that Vietnam secondary students about 2 years ago, they won the world's top math prize? Did you guys know that?
Nope.
Yeah, so a lot of countries around the world want to know why Vietnam is so successful, so great in math. So they're studying the Vietnamese way to teach math. They did this with Japan about 25 years ago. They were interested in how the Japanese teach math. Now people all around the world want to know how Vietnam teaches math.
In Vietnam, it had a competition like Ways Up to Olympia.
Oh yeah, like Olympic Math Olympics.
Yeah.
And then also the boys tell me they love playing chess. Why?
Oh,
Chess.
and football too.
And football for sports, yeah. So chess, everyone loves chess, I guess. All the boys love chess. I had to ask Chow a question. Poor Chow, we haven't asked her any questions and she had to leave early. Chow, how are you?
Teacher.
Wait, Tony, we have to ask Chow some questions here. Hey, Chow, how are you?
I'm great.
Chow, what do you think? Are science and math the most important classes, or are they equal to other classes?
Tiếng Anh.
Both
Mũ
of them
là gì?
important because
Đố em. Mũ là
Lynn is talking. Lynn is having some kind of conversation. Okay, Chow, one more time, please. I'm sorry about that.
I think both of them are important because it's necessary
Yeah.
for our life.
Yeah, like, in English and Vietnamese, you learn basic communication skills, face-to-face or writing. So if you work in any kind of work, in an office or a school or for the government, you have to communicate really well. So that's important. Hey, Chow, what's your favorite class?
My favorite class is science and
Oh, interesting, Chow. Science. So did you notice they were talking about liquids? Tom was talking about liquids and Stella, they were describing chemistry. Do you like chemistry or biology, study of life, or earth science, study of the earth go around the sun?
chemistry, but not chemistry.
Okay.
Like the old one. When I study at primary school,
What was it in primary school?
I mean, I like the science when I study at primary school.
Yeah.
I still like it, but it's too difficult now.
Oh, it got really difficult.
I like chemistry.
Yeah. So Tom said that he mixed sugar and water together, but later in chemistry, you can't taste it because Tom said he tasted. Let me check with Tom on that. Tom, are you still there? Tom, you said you can actually taste the sugar-water mix in chemistry?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. And so now, do you see that later in chemistry, like maybe in 1 or 2 years, you can't, yeah, Pony, you can go out, that's fine, Pony. Tom, you can't taste the chemicals later, right? Because they become dangerous?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right.
That's
Hey,
not my
Tom,
school.
who's your
They
friend?
let us taste like for a bit second, and then
Yeah.
like when we mix the other one in, when we aren't even allowed to touch it, so we aren't even allowed to taste it. Nothing. We are only allowed to stare.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. So that's, so you just, even if it's safe, like sugar and water or salt and water.
Yeah, because my teacher said it is, even though it's not dangerous, we should still be on our step because if like the sugar isn't sugar and something else, it will be very poisonous.
Very good. Good teacher, Stella. That's really important. Plus, if all the kids begin putting their finger in the sugar and water, it can get really messy in the classroom, right? Let's see. I want to talk to a student here. Shelly, how are you, Shelly?
Good.
Shelly, do you take STEM courses, the science, the technology, the English, the math?
Science.
Science, yeah. Do you like it?
Yes.
Are you a good science student?
No, no more.
Normal, yeah. But you find it interesting?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, do you do chemistry, biology, or earth science, or physics?
I do the science.
Yeah, earth science. Do you like earth science?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. I thought it was really interesting. There are so many parts to earth science, like the oceans, the mountains, the earth, the stars. It's really actually pretty cool. I was in an earth science class 2 years ago in Taiwan, and the teacher's name was Fatty, Fatty, because he used to be fat, so his wife called him Fatty. So his English name was Fatty, and he was a wonderful teacher, a really good teacher, teaching the students earth science. Okay, Shelly. So what Shelly said, you do, and Chow, you do mathematics, you do science. You guys are pretty close to doing STEM subjects, don't you know? So you might not learn the actual STEM, but you're learning the math and the science that is a big part of STEM, right? All right. I'm going to ask Tom. Hey, Tom, are you there? Hello, Mr. Lin.
Yes.
Tom, are you with your friend today or your brother?
No, that's my little brother. He's
Your
sitting
little
here.
brother, yeah. Does he find it?
Not my brother. That's my friend.
That's Tom's brother, right? Tom, that's your brother or your friend?
It's my brother.
Oh, and Lynn, does Lynn know your brother?
He's even 18 kilograms.
Have a brother.
Tom, does Lynn know your brother or is he just joking?
He's just joking. He doesn't
Oh.
even know my little
Have a
brother.
brother.
Okay, because
That's
sometimes
my
you guys
friend.
go to the same school, so I don't know. Maybe you're, maybe Lynn is telling the truth or maybe Lynn is joking. All right. Lynn is so funny. Lynn, what are you eating? What kind of candy are you eating?
Anh đọc nhiều cái này không? Anh đọc lên cái này đó.
Lynn, what kind of candy is it?
Đâu nào? Cái này nè.
Tom's friend is laughing at Lynn. All right, you guys. All right, so homework time. Stella, can I ask Miss Stella about the homework? And Tom, you can help us with the homework. You're good too. I'm going to just set some of these microphones because Lynn's making noises with that candy. Tom, for your homework, would you like to talk about STEM or would you like to talk about your favorite class?
Favorite class.
I think I would choose a favorite class.
Yeah, I think you
favorite
guys
class
want to.
better.
STEM is really big subject, you guys. So if you focus on just your favorite class, let's make a debate question from that, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go to the debate notes for today. And here they are. And so I'm going to start a new subject here in just a moment using my word processor. I love my old style word processor from Apple, you guys. It's called Apple Pages. Okay, so the debate topic. Here we go, you guys. It's coming up. The debate topic for this week's homework. What is your favorite class at school? Why do you like this class? Most importantly, why do you think this is a very important class to take or study in? Stella, can I ask you, what do you think is the most important?
Let's see, science.
Okay.
I think science is the most important one because it can actually includes a lot of things.
Yeah.
First, it can sometimes include chemistry. So in science, we sometimes have like experiments to put in things and see what happens. So we know what's going to happen and invent a new thing. So it's like learning chemistry.
Yeah.
Second, sometimes we even use maths just to learn science.
Yeah.
We would use maths an example for how many kilograms plus how many kilograms should it be. So it helps us to know how exactly it is and will make us more curious
Nice.
about it. That's how.
Nice, nice. Do you know to make stronger is strengthen? I have to teach you that vocabulary. To strengthen our critical thinking skills. Okay, now they keep using this over and over. Tom, are you still there? Tom.
Yes, I'm still here.
Do you know this critical thinking skills thing that you keep hearing in schools? Do you know that expression, critical thinking? Critical thinking, there it is at Google Translator.
Tư duy phản biện.
Critical thinking.
Critical thinking.
Critical thinking.
I've never heard of that word.
You've never heard it?
Yeah.
Tư duy phản biện.
Okay, so it's really important, you guys. So I want to teach you that maybe in your debate, you could use that word critical thinking, okay? Because that's a big part of STEM. So critical thinking is a major or really big part of STEM learning systems. Stella, you were describing So do you understand that, Stella? You were actually describing STEM and critical thinking skills.
Yeah.
I'm going to go back to Mr. Lin. Hey, Lin. Lin, what's your favorite class, your favorite subject?
I don't like any class.
Oh, come on. You have to give us just
Lazy
one class.
boy. Oh my God.
Hey, Lynn, is it happy boy class?
No.
What is your favorite class?
I don't like any class.
You don't like any class? Okay.
Okay, lazy boy class, please.
So Stella and her helpers and change it to lazy boy class. Well, you could, Lynn, you could say this. You could say, this is a good class. Are you ready, Lynn?
Class.
Dreamers class. Do you like to dream, Lynn?
No.
You don't
Delusional.
dream. Usually if kids don't like school, they like to dream during school, Lynn.
Delusional? You mean like that?
No, delusion's like kind of crazy, Stella.
I can
that's
think.
crazy. Oh my God. I love delusional. It's fun.
When I at school, I can't sleep, so I think some comic books in my head to I read it in my head.
Yeah, that's exactly right. That's what I'm talking about. Who said that? That was, whose response was that? That was an excellent response. Was that Tony?
Yes.
Hey, Tony, that's
I
right.
I can't sleep in my class, so
Yeah.
I think some comic book in
Yeah.
my head, so I read in my head.
Okay. Now, you
It's
guys,
very nice.
do you know who was one of the world's most famous daydreamers who would
Oh.
dream in class and his teachers would get really angry? Do you guys know that story?
Nope.
All right, I'm going to put his picture in the share. And this is one of the world's most famous daydreamers who used to daydream in class. And his teachers in Germany would get really angry with him. And they told his mother and father he will never do anything great in his life because all he does is dream in class. Are you guys ready for the answer? Who's the great daydreamer?
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein. Yeah, he would just daydream in class. Now, Tony was
Einstein.
Yeah, that's Einstein. He was a huge daydreamer, you guys. He just dreamed all day of new things, right? So when
The
he was
teacher is wrong. He is correct. We must imagination. We do not do reality every single day. Because
So-
imagination is very good.
So do you understand the daydreaming? Einstein would sit in class and he would daydream about like someone on a train going the speed of light, right? And then he would say, what happens at the speed of light? Once you reach the speed of light, what happens? And then he would just start daydreaming about this, you guys. And the teachers would say, what are you doing? You're not even paying attention in class. And he was thinking about stuff like this, right? So here he is. I love this picture. He's just talking to somebody smoking his pipe with tobacco. And he's just, do you know the crazy stories about Einstein, you guys? When he was at Princeton University, which is as good as Harvard. Okay, so do you see these are shoelaces, right? And he's tying the shoes. You see you're tying your shoes? Albert Einstein didn't tie his shoes each morning. He left them. He left his shoes untied, right? And so his shoes look like this. This were his shoes were untied. And they said, why don't you tie your shoes? Why don't you tie your shoes? He said, it's too easy. I don't want to think about it. I want to use my brain energy for more important things. Did you guys know that story?
Smart idea.
So he would walk around with untied shoelaces, which is a little dangerous. So it's a little dangerous, right? So as untied shoelaces, this is what Albert Einstein's shoes look like this. And they said, this is dangerous. Don't do this. You're going to fall over your own shoes, right?
You mean
So-
me? I always do not tie my shoe, but I have left. I never like fall once before.
You never fall because it's so easy to fall if you don't tie your shoes.
But not me. I want like a lot of times at my shoes tying,
Yeah.
and it doesn't fall with me. It's
Yeah.
still very okay to run around, walk around.
Yeah. So Einstein just didn't tie his shoes, you guys. Okay, it's time to go. So do you understand the homework? It's quite simple, you guys. One more time. Wait, we have to give you your homework one more time before Lynn runs out of the room. You guys, here it is, you guys. The debate topic for this week's homework is, what is your favorite class at school? Why do you like this class? Most importantly, why do you think this is a very important class to take or study? All right?
Okay.
All right. Promise to do your best, Mr. Lin.
Goodbye.
All right. Bye-bye, everybody. We'll see you next week.
Goodbye,
Thank you
teacher.
for a great class.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. See you, Kevin. Nice work. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye, Tom. Bye-bye,